Speaking of life insurance, this young lady here brought up life insurance at Angel Reese, former LSU basketball player, now with the Chicago Sky, WNBA player. So let's take a look at this.
Life insurance.
Okay.
Let me clock that.
Life insurance.
We need to get life insurance.
That's important.
Going to school for mortuary science and having this apprenticeship, working at these funeral homes. There's so many people who scramble when things happen because they like to pretend like nobody dies, and then somebody dies and everybody's like, oh, shit, what we gonna do?
Yeah,
We ain't got no money saved up.
that's true.
Try to do us a little GoFundMe, a little fish fry. For real. And it's like we don't prepare for these life events. We don't prepare for, we're not prepared enough.
Yeah.
And I want to clock that. And I don't want to offend nobody, step on nobody's toes, but I just want to urge everybody
Find a way.
to get some type of insurance to make sure that everybody is covered. Shit happens. And the minute we come to terms with that, we'll be able to move forward as a collective. So black people, get some goddamn insurance. ASAP.
And goddamn, it's God blessed. God blessed is a financial tool that everybody can take advantage of. Like, question I asked a lot of people in my Keep the Keys book tour. I said, who's in their 30s? Who doesn't know anything about life insurance? Who's not an agent with us? Who's not in a real estate business? You're just working at a job. You have no clue about what life insurance can do for your family. You don't know how much it costs. Raise your hands. I said, sir, do you own a home? You have a kid? Yeah. He goes, yeah, I got a kid. I got a wife, 2 kids. Awesome. How much life insurance do you have? He goes, I got none. You got no life insurance? You have a wife? You got kids? Yeah, I got none. This happens a lot on my Keep the Keys book tours. Okay. And so I asked him this question. Would you just pick up one day and leave your family and never come back? He goes, I absolutely wouldn't do that. So that's what happens when you buy no life insurance. The Lord has different plans for you and sadly calls you home. Guess what you just financially done to your family? You picked up and left, not returning, no phone call, no goodbye, no financial assistance. So I asked another question. I said, how many guys think that life insurance is expensive? A lot of hands go up. People think that life insurance is expensive. Okay, so for those in your 30s that think life insurance is expensive, for a $1 million life insurance policy, if $1 million goes to your beneficiary, your wife, your husband, your children, a financial institution, a college, a university, your church, how much do you think that $1 million of tax-free cash, death benefit from the life insurance policy that would go to them under Section 101A of the IRS code will go to them without them paying a dime in tax, but they get $1 million to use however they want to use it. No strings attached, outside the fact that you paying the premiums while you're alive. How much do you think a $1 million for a 30-year-old man or woman costs? Hands go up. $200 a month, $300 a month, $500 a month, one guy said in San Antonio. $500 a month for a $1 million life insurance policy. He runs a catering company. He goes, yep, okay, roger that. Here's the real cost, though. What's that? I asked one of our insurance agents, how much does it cost for a 30-year-old man in his 30s who's healthy for a 30-year policy? Well, the answer is $70 a month. He was shocked because he didn't think it was that cheap. That's what life insurance costs, everybody. These insurance companies are daring you to buy life insurance. Now, don't take my word for it. You got to go find an insurance agent. If you need some help, drop a insurance in the comment section below. We'll find somebody to give you cheap, inexpensive term insurance that you should own for a minimum of 30 years. Somewhere along the line, you got to convert that term policy into a permanent policy. But in the meantime, while budget's tight, get you a cheap, inexpensive, low premium, high benefit term insurance policy with living benefits. And what's living benefit? Living benefit means if you have heart attack, stroke, or cancer, or Angel Reese, if you're listening to this, you get hurt, you can't perform activities of daily living, you need some help around, and the doctors aren't really, you can hire yourself a nurse, a home healthcare provider to help you because you can't perform 2 of the activities of daily living. There's 6 of them. If you're later in life, you're done with the league. You're a professional athlete, but right now you have access to doctors. This is what a lot of professional athletes tell me. When I was playing in the league, had access to the best doctors. Out of the league, hopefully I get a doctor. And so if you want the best quality of life after life of being in the military or professional sports, get you a life insurance policy with living benefits. If you like that clip, watch the next one over here. To watch the full-length episode, click over here.